Hello everybody. So today we have an Opel combo. It's a diesel engine, 2005 year made, and in this case we're gonna changing ABS module. Here we go, the spare one from the used car. So there's a ECU under it. Usually ECU goes wrong. Here's a plug for the ECU, and on the top was the engine. So we had a fault on the diagnostic, then the motor is bad. We already opened it up. We did not see anything is bad. The bushes is pretty good as well. So yeah, we already get the old pipes out, and now we're gonna remove this one and install the used one. So let's go. Okay, so we're done. All pipes back in place. The plug is back in place. It's still moving. There's 3 bolts. One in there, one in there. It's very struggle to see, but it is there. And another one is on the bottom. So you have to access through those pipes to get that bolt. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna get this back in place. After that, you have to put ECU as well in the back in place, because there's 2 bolts for the ECU. So let's go and test it out. Here we go, we are back in the car, and now we are heading on to the ABS system, and very good. There's no faults, there's no error codes, so that the code with the engine was bad is gone now. So all good, what I can say. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. Good luck with your ABS module exchange. Bye.